My friends, how you're doing? Pause snapshot has been taken, and there are a few things you need to do immediately to get you ready for what's coming next. Okay, if you go to the earn section and click on this in-game, you're gonna see a number of things here. One of them is this: verify via Paws web. Okay, so you need to do this. As you can pretty much see here, it is mandatory for you to do it. Okay, so how you should go about doing it is pretty simple. Just click on this. You would be shown a number of browsers like this. I went with this one, the Chrome browser. Okay, so if you click on this, it is going to show you the following, and boom, this page is going to display and you are going to be verified, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so and after that you can click on this. Okay, it is going to show you connect wallet. Okay, so if you've not connected your wallets, ensure to connect them. Okay, I connected my Ton wallet, and also you can connect your Solana wallet if you want to. Okay, not even if you want to, just connect it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And after that, your account is going to be verified. If I click on verify now, you're gonna see the following: account verified. So the latest information from their community, the Paws community on Telegram, they said the following: hope you got your Paws back, because now they are gone forever. Out of the 72 million users, 20 million stepped up and claimed their Paws. Okay, we have closely monitored tax progress in the Paws app and want to assure you that users involved in dishonest farming or bot farming will not be eligible for the airdrop. Okay, it says here, hit our website to peep what's coming. So you can click on this. This was where I clicked before, okay, to get me to this place. Okay, clicking on this is gonna show you whether you are verified or not. Okay, so when they talk about this right here, what are they talking about? Remember, I made a video about it, okay, telling you how to get your Paws back. I made a video about it. I don't know how many of you saw that video. So this is for this video. Go get your account verified as we await the airdrop, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go.